Larro, EAB, 11th Avenue Boy, 219, GI, right there by Mr. B's and Lucky's. All I wanted was a quarter bird, turn that bitch to a half a brick. All my life I took the risk, I ain't got time for y'all petty shit. Yeah, all I wanted was a quarter bird, turn that bitch to a half a brick. Now I'm in this Louis shit, holding that Prada bitch shit. All I wanted was a quarter bird, turn that bitch to a half a brick. All my life I took the risk, I ain't got time for y'all petty shit. Yeah, all I wanted was a quarter bird, turn that bitch to a half a brick. Now I'm in this Louis shit, holding that Prada bitch. Paper chase, all about this guap, going hard cause this game don't stop. Bust it down with the jug on your block, plot scheme just to get to the top. Been at the bottom so I know how I feel, whole lot of blood, sweat and tears. Out here trying to get this dough, nigga, out here trying to shake the fast. See around here, nigga, everything is getting served. All about me, moolah, baby, all about me, Benjamins, me dividends, steady stacking ends, getting where I fit in. Man, I hope that plug is coming in, cause I'ma show what to do with it. Old school, I let the fool with it, serve them up like a soup kitchen. Thirsty as hell, just trying to get it. Get off your ass and go and get it, no matter the price or what's the ticket. Give me that work and watch me flip it. I'm out here, give me grind on shit, call me Mr. Servo. Watch me flip and push the bag, I'm just trying to move the sag. Stack a lot of them blue faces, don't trust them niggas, they be two-faced. They fake love, it ain't no love, so I keep a grudge. Fast money when I'm grinding for, it's do or die for this fast cash, cause it's AML for himself, ho. All I wanted was a quarter bird, turn that bitch to a half a brick. All my life I took the risk, I ain't got time for y'all petty shit. Yeah, all I wanted was a quarter bird, turn that bitch to a half a brick. Now I'm in this Louis shit, holding that Prada bitch shit. All I wanted was a quarter bird, turn that bitch to a half a brick. All my life I took the risk, I ain't got time for y'all petty shit. Yeah, all I wanted was a quarter bird, turn that bitch to a half a brick. Now I'm in this Louis shit, holding that Prada bitch. See, I was in the field trying to catch this plate, bust a jig with that white girl, starving in them streets now, dog, I can't do that. I'm bouncing back like good yay. Y'all bitches been stepped on, wait a minute, hold up, yup, them pussies just too slow. Bank rolls out of stash to come up, kid, I done it again. Flipping that work in the trap, I know y'all hate, I gets it in. Fuck it, one life to live, then fuck it, I just need the plug. Sucker duck, you sucker niggas, I'ma keep that hot toast on my side. I'ma rock this bitch like a drug house, most of them bitches been thugged out. Y'all hit that pussy and then I bounce, ounces, quarter, 8 balls, juggin', I just break it down. I'm just trying to keep them happy, I keep them geekers coming back, and them geekers coming right back, knocking on my back door. 3 for 10s, nickel bags, they just trying to get some more. When I was on the grind, I was getting it, no 2 chains, but a whole thing in the trap to bang with the cell phone, with the money ring, with the money bag. I diddy bop, do the money dance. When it come to bands, bitch, I got a plan. Visions in that Pirates Bowl, I lean with it and I rock with it. That pistol might get powered with, so bumper gums is not an option. Lucrative, I'm about to profit. Lucrative, I'm about to profit. All I wanted